Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something really exciting to talk about, the itel RS4. This phone has been making quite a buzz lately, especially among budget-conscious gamers. So let's dive right into it and see what this device has to offer. First up, let's talk about what's under the hood. Powering the itel RS4 is the MediaTek Helio G99 Ultimate chipset. Now, this is not your run-of-the-mill chipset. It's based on a 6nm process technology, which is pretty advanced for its price range. With dual ARM Cortex, A76 cores clocked at 2.2 GHz and a 6-core ARM Cortex, A55 at 2.0 GHz, paired with a Mali G57MC2 GPU. This setup promises smooth performance, especially for gaming. And speaking of gaming, the itel RS4 doesn't disappoint. With a whopping 12 GB of RAM and an additional 12 GB of MEM Fusion, giving you a total usable memory of up to 24 GB, this device is a multitasking beast. Plus, it comes in a 256 GB storage variant, so you won't have to worry about running out of space anytime soon. What about real-world gaming performance? Well, we tested out some popular games and the results were impressive. With the iBoost game engine, the itel RS4 automatically optimizes the system to provide a boost while gaming. However, for more graphics-intensive games like Genshin Impact, you might need to lower the settings for smoother gameplay. Now, let's talk about battery life, a crucial factor for gamers. The itel RS4 comes equipped with a 5000 mAh battery and 45W charging capability. In our tests, we managed to get impressive results. Playing Mobile Legends for an hour only drained 9% of the battery, translating to roughly 10.5 hours of gameplay. And in our battery tests, the itel RS4 lasted a solid 17 hours and 39 minutes in PCMark Work 3.0 battery test, and 20 hours and 55 minutes in our video loop test. So, wrapping things up, the itel RS4 is a solid contender in the budget gaming smartphone segment. With its powerful hardware, decent gaming performance, and long-lasting battery life, it offers great value for money. Sure, it may not be perfect, but at its price point, it's hard to beat. If you're on a budget and looking for a capable gaming device, the itel RS4 is definitely worth considering. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.